All right, let's think about 718 as really being them asking us who most wants to be reduced. Let's do it that way. I phrased that wrong. Who most wants to be oxidized? Which element is the most powerful reduction agent? And to do that, you're really going to just play a logic game using the reactions they gave you. Think of it like those little puzzles you had in school where it said Sue sits next to Bob, who sits next to Frank, who sits next to George, and they all sit in a circle. So who's sitting next to Jill? Who's on the other side of Jill? You know, it's one of those sorts of questions. So I just like to start it with a series of equal, greater, and equal statements, going one reaction at a time. So let's go to this first reaction here. A is reducing D plus. So if A can reduce D, then A is a stronger reducing agent than D. So that's most reactive, and we're going to go to least reactive over here, which is the opposite of the way it is in the homework. So heads up there. All right, the next thing compares C and D. D is reducing C, right? D here is forcing C to become reduced. So D is stronger than C. D is doing the same thing for B plus, right? D is forcing B plus to become reduced. So D is stronger than B as well. We don't know anything about the comparative values of C and B. So that's where our last reaction comes in. And we see that B is reducing C. So B has to be stronger than C. Now, your book wants it the opposite way. So A, D, B, C.